In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a clean calendar view that pulls dates from your board so you can see your work laid out by day, week, or month without leaving your workspace. First, head to Monday.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where your team's boards live. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow the usual login flow and wait for your dashboard to load fully. A quick tip here: check you have at least viewer access to the board you want to use. Editor or owner access is even better if you plan to manage items shown on the calendar. Next, look to the left side of your screen for the list of boards. This is the sidebar that organizes everything you're working on. Select a board and click it to open. Choose the board that actually contains the items and dates you care about, such as a projects board or a content schedule. If you don't see the sidebar, hover near the left edge and expand it. Keep in mind that your calendar will show items based on date columns in this board, so a board with clear start or due dates will produce the most useful view. With the board open, move your attention to the top section of the page. You'll see the views area. This is where different ways of visualizing your data live, like table, Kanban, and more. Click the plus icon in this top section to add a new view. There are a few plus icons around Monday.com, so be sure you're hitting the one in the views bar at the top of your board, not the one for adding new items or groups. From the views menu that appears, click calendar. Monday.com will create a calendar view for your board and open it right away. The calendar automatically pulls in any items that have a date column and places them on the appropriate days. If your dates include times, you'll see that reflected as well. Don't worry if your calendar looks empty at first. Double check that your items have dates filled in and they'll appear here. You can switch between month, week, and day to get the granularity you need, and the calendar will stay in sync with the data on your board. That's all it takes. Sign in, open your board, click the plus icon at the top, and choose calendar. You now have a live visual schedule for your work. From here, you can explore filters, grouping, and other display options to tailor the calendar to your team's workflow. Thanks for following along and enjoy your new calendar view in Monday.com.